Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. We just dropped Ben off this morning. We're on our way to Muri's dentist appointment. So it's early, I'm tired. No time for makeup or hair brushing. But first we're going to stop by Panera to get some coffee. Coffee is important for the sentence doing and the brain thinking. And probably some bread or something, and then we're gonna go to Yuri's first dentist appointment. Well, the first dentist appointment for getting a cavity, I should say. She's got teeth cleanings. She's never gotten a cavity before, so let's see how that goes. Don't run, baby. Giddy, don't run. Hi guys, and happy Valentine's Day. I didn't get to finish filming the other day because it got really busy after Yuri's dental appointment, so I decided just to pick up today, which just happens to be Valentine's Day. So far we dropped Ben off at work. I got the day off. We stopped by the dollar store to get some crafts and stuff, and then we stopped by Meijer because we wanted to be able to make our own heart pizzas, so that should be really fun, which I'll film a little bit later because I just put the kids down for their naps, so fingers crossed that they actually take their naps today. So got all this stuff. This just because it's pretty. But then we got construction paper, and we're going to make like those paper hearts that you staple together. Just for decoration, I got a bunch of tape. Got glitter glue because, as me and Yuri say, you can never have enough glitter. Some staples. And I got these so that we can do some art today. Don't mind that, that's just my Starbucks. And then Gideon got a card from his grandma today, or his great-grandma, which I thought was really sweet. She always remembers to send them cards on their birthdays or on holidays, so that's just super sweet of her. Yeah, then we also got some beads to play around with. I got blue for Gideon. I got pink for Yuri because she is a pink kind of girl. I prefer blue myself, but yeah. I got tablecloth, and then we're going to cut out little hearts and glue them. It's just kind of for Yuri to practice writing because her writing still needs a little bit of work, just on neatness. Then there's also these, which are actually my favorite because they have the letters on them, so we'll probably put Valentine or love or something like that on the bracelets that we're making. And these were already on here, just on the chair because the kids play with art supplies daily. Oh, and then we also got some of these, which is just different good work charts that she has to fill up with stickers every time that she has good behavior or makes a good choice or a nice choice, or does something out of kindness. Normally we do something like a puffball jar, which is here, and she's just starting over because she just got her prize from last time. And I get a bunch of these, which was really fun for her, but she says that this time she prefers stickers. Which I think, whether it's puffball stickers, I don't really care, as long as it's going to motivate her to do good behavior and make right choices, then that's all that really matters to me. And yes, I still do have my Christmas tree up. If you guys saw that in the background, I'm actually going to take that down today because it does take up some room, and you can see all my exercise stuff is here because lately I have been trying to do a lot better with exercising and eating right, and I've lost some weight, but over the course of 2 months it's probably like 10 pounds, which is probably a healthy amount to lose to keep it off. However, you know, it can still be kind of frustrating. I am very excited though because I actually ended up getting this Nutrisystem package. It was just delivered today when we got home. I haven't even opened it yet, but I got a month's worth of food. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then I think it's either second snack or considered a dessert. So I have no idea what that looks like because I got the lowest priced one because it's expensive and I can't really afford to really be doing this every month. I just kind of wanted to try it for 1 month because usually I pre-pack my own stuff. I just meal prep and then I count calories ahead of time. And then I also count like nutrients and how much vitamin C, how much vitamin A I'm getting, how much iron, how much protein, all that stuff. It's just kind of a headache when I have all this other stuff going on with homeschooling Yuri and then working in between. So I thought this might kind of help relieve some of the stress if I could just kind of take a break for a month and not have to think about it. So I'm super excited about that. This one is the chef's choice. So you don't actually get to pick it. They just kind of choose it for you, which they say for the first month anyway is the best because they know kind of what to pack to help you lose weight more quickly and efficiently. Holy cow. Okay. It is a little heavy. Okay. A little letter from them. And then I guess it came for your first month. It comes with some free shakes, and then there was some discount codes that I could get a free shaker. And then I looked online for more discount codes, and it actually me add 2 discount codes. So there's 1 discount code for the shakes and the shaker. And then I was also already clicking off of a website that was giving me 50% off of all this. And then I saw another discount code for like some free cookies or something. So they're supposed to be somewhere in here, but I don't know, just like some extra stash of free cookies for the week also, which I thought was really neat. The only real concern I had about this was, one, what's the food going to taste like if it's prepackaged? And then also, is it going to feel like it sustains me throughout the day, or am I going to feel hungry all day? But I've been hearing really great reviews about this one. It's probably one of the top picks. So we will see, and I will give you guys updates on whether I'm losing weight or if I'm feeling hungry and all that stuff, if you guys are interested in knowing what it's like to kind of go through this system. Anyway, I'm gonna get cleaning now because the kids had lunch, so they kind of made a mess everywhere, and Yuri tried to clean up, which was really sweet of her, but then I have all of this. So I want to try to clean everything up by the time they're done with their nap time. That way I can get started on putting all of their craft stuff together. And then if they want to start making like the pizza and stuff like that, we have all the space to do it, clean space.
Wow. I never touched it.
Wow, it's beautiful, baby.
Yeah, but I never touched it.
No?
No.
Why not?
Because.
So we got our canvases. We decided to do these instead of
I can seem to get away.
Your rose looks beautiful, Yuri.
We were
And then next we're going to do some bracelets.
I thought you could see.
Paint! I want this paint.
You want to paint now?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, what does it say?
We
Happy
were
birthday.
never here to stay.
Gideon, can I see yours? Can I see your bracelet?
We were so
Oh, you took it off.
wild and free.
Says happy
We
birthday.
were just kids in love.
Gideon.
I gave you the best.
Hey guys, it's the end of the night. We just got back from picking Ben up and we were working on our pizza, and I didn't remember to actually, excuse me guys, I didn't remember to record it. So what we did was we bought some dough and then we cut it in the shape of a heart. Had a little bit left over. And then instead of making pizza sauce like I wanted to, we just ended up buying pizza sauce and the cheese just because it would be a lot faster that way. And it's getting kind of late anyway. It's 7:38. They have to get ready for bed soon. So it's still fun. It's still a project. And I think it's going to be really good. So maybe next year I'll be a little more prepared and we'll make stuff from scratch. But I think it's still pretty good.
Here's the pizzas to reveal.
How's it taste, Yuri? Does it taste good?
See.
Giddy, come on, bud. Alright guys, I'm ending the vlog here. Gideon's in bed. Ben and Yuri are in the room. Yuri's gonna read some of her Bible. Ben has homework to catch up on. And I think I'm going to take this opportunity to catch up on some Supernatural or American Horror Story, which I've been really getting into, and doing a face mask. And I started drinking some wine, but it's okay. I kind of got my water instead and just a little bit of chocolate. And yeah, that's pretty much my night. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!